This is a piano tutorial for the Beatles song We Can Work It Out. It's in the key of B flat, which has two flats, B flat and E flat, so you got to watch out for those. I'm going to give you the fingering here for the right hand. You're going to start with your third finger on B flat. That gets you through that phrase, and it repeats. And then you're going to lift your fifth finger up and play this F. So pretty easy there. The second part of the song is going to be third finger there on that D. Your fourth finger on that E flat. Actually, that's not going to work. Let's think about this here. So I'm going to suggest putting your second finger on that, in the measure where its life is very short. Put your second finger on D, third finger on that E flat, and then you're going to have to go over on B flat with your third finger like that. And then you're on your fifth finger there. And that repeats. And then the second ending is D with a, repeats that again. So pretty simple there. Probably the trickiest part there is when you're doing that E flat measure, your third finger on, third finger on that E flat, and over with your third finger on that B flat note there. And then second finger and fifth finger on that D. So that's probably the trickiest part. Then the chords in your left hand, let's do those along with it. First chord is a B flat. You're going to do F, B flat, and D like that. Let's see here. So this is B flat. E flat would be like that. G, B flat, E flat on the top. It's a pretty easy change. E flat there again. G, B flat, E flat. There's A flat there. A flat, C, E flat. B flat again. F, B flat, and D. Again, G, B flat, E flat like that. A flat, C, E flat. B flat, F, B flat, and D. E flat there, G, B flat, E flat. B flat, E flat. F7, F, A, C, E flat. Then you get to that next part of the song. It's G minor, G, B flat, and D. There's the E flat again, G, B flat. And this is interesting, and I think you need to put that D sus in there. It's a D, G, and A, and then it resolves on the first beat of that next measure, on the third beat. G minor again. Let's see, G minor, E flat, So as always, work on the hands separately before you try putting them together. And when you're all through, this is what it sounds like. And at the end it goes to, so that's a B flat.